Welcome back to Summarize Science, where we break down the latest breakthroughs in technology. Today, we are looking at a paper that changes how AI generates images using high-dimensional tokens. Usually, there is a trade-off in artificial intelligence research. The researchers explain that AI can either understand an image deeply or create one efficiently, but rarely both at once. Most current models rely on low-dimensional tokens, which are like simple, low-resolution building blocks. These simple blocks often lose the semantic richness needed for a high-level understanding of what is actually in a photo. To solve this, the researchers developed Cubic Discrete Diffusion, or CubiD for short. This is the first model of its kind that can generate images using high-dimensional representation tokens. It basically allows the AI to use a much more complex vocabulary when it draws. The core innovation lies in treating image data like a 3D cube of information rather than a flat list. This cube includes height and width, but also a deep stack of descriptive dimensions. This allows the AI to capture rich correlations both within and across different spatial positions. By using these thick tokens, the AI can leverage the same information used by top-tier vision models like Dino V2. This means the AI doesn't have to learn a new, simpler language just to draw a picture. It preserves the original representation capabilities essential for understanding. During the training process, the researchers use a technique called fine-grained masking. They randomly hide tiny bits of data throughout the entire 3D structure. The model then learns to predict those missing pieces by looking at the surrounding context of the cube. When it comes time to actually make an image, the AI starts with a completely masked, empty volume. It then iteratively unmasks and refines the data, moving from a rough structure to a polished final product. The percentages shown here illustrate the progress through the generation steps. In these comparisons, you can see how other masking strategies often fail. Some produce weird texture-like artifacts, while others create blurry, inconsistent shapes. The per-element approach used in this paper produces clear, coherent images with very fine details. They tested this on a massive dataset and found that it achieves state-of-the-art results. The model shows a strong scaling behavior, meaning it gets much smarter as it gets bigger. The largest version tested reaches a staggering 3.7 billion parameters. Take a look at these samples of birds, dogs, and cats. The textures of the feathers and the glint in the eyes show how much detail these high-dimensional tokens can hold. Whether it is a giant panda or a steaming teapot, the model captures the essence of the objects perfectly. To recap the important points, this work introduces a way for AI to use one unified system for both seeing and creating. This avoids the need for separate, specialized systems that often don't work well together. In the future, this could lead to more coherent and efficient multimodal AI architectures. This marks a significant step toward truly unified AI that thinks and creates in a more multidimensional way. It demonstrates that high-dimensional discrete generation is both feasible and highly effective. Thanks for watching Summarize Science, and stay tuned for more cutting-edge research made simple.